Hi there guys, you guys will see in front of you that I have a set structure with a sliding door and a garage door, and I'd like to go ahead and show you guys how to put some steps up to your sliding door. And so what we're going to do is we're going to obviously take into consideration the width of the sliding door. In this case, that is what you need to do. And remember that if there aren't any sizes specified, keep them in good proportion and assume the measurement. I'm just going to give the framework for the steps. Remember, you'll use a scale, but yet again, if no sizes were given, you'll use it in good proportion. Okay, and assume your measurements. If I'm going to be using a specific amount of steps, I might want to do this a little bit more accurately, but I'm just going to measure off a couple of steps over here. Let's make it 3 steps, and then the 4th into the house. Remember, every time there is a change in surface, you'll be experiencing a different elevation, so you'll definitely be showing fold lines. Okay, that's your steps over there, and to indicate whether it goes up or down in the middle, you'll go and create a little line with an arrowhead to indicate that is in fact going up. This is how you would draw a ramp.